Have you ever wished you could hit a reset button on your life? A fresh start, a clean slate, a chance to simply begin again? Most people think they need a new year, a promotion, or some big life event to start over. But what if the truth is much simpler? What if every single day is a chance to begin again? The idea is simple: yesterday does not define you. Your mistakes do not lock you in place. Your future isn't determined by what you failed to do, but by what you choose to do next. This mindset is at the heart of personal growth, mental clarity, and resilience. It's a habit rooted in timeless Stoic principles, letting go of what you cannot change and taking ownership of what you can. The power of the daily reset. Think about this: every morning, the world resets. The sun rises. The clock starts again. Nature doesn't hold grudges, and neither should you. In the Stoic world, each day was viewed as a fresh opportunity to practice inner peace and discipline. Marcus Aurelius didn't wake up perfect. He woke up determined. Determined to try again. Maybe yesterday you weren't patient. Maybe you skipped your workout. Maybe you snapped at someone you love. But today? Today offers a brand new chance to show up differently. Starting fresh isn't about pretending the past didn't happen. It's about refusing to let it control you. Letting go of yesterday's weight. Imagine carrying a heavy backpack filled with every regret, mistake, or missed opportunity. Most of us drag that weight into every new day and then wonder why we feel exhausted. Letting go isn't weakness. It's strategy. It's mental clarity in action. Think about athletes. If a basketball player misses a shot, they don't quit the game. They reset, refocus, and take the next shot. That's resilience. That's the mindset you need to bring to your own life. You don't have to keep reliving yesterday. You are allowed to turn the page. Small beginnings create big transformations. Treating each day as a chance to begin again doesn't mean you must reinvent your entire life overnight. It means focusing on small, intentional actions. Want more discipline? Start with one promise you know you can keep. Want inner peace? Take 5 minutes each morning to breathe, reflect, or journal. Want personal growth? Replace one unhelpful habit with something better, today, not someday. In the US, UK, Canada, and Australia, most people lead busy lives. But even in a packed schedule, small, consistent habits make a profound impact. It's not about perfection. It's about direction. Rewrite your identity one day at a time. Your identity isn't fixed. It's shaped by what you repeatedly do. If you see today as a fresh beginning, you unlock your ability to reinvent yourself at any moment. You no longer say, "That's just who I am." Instead, you say, "That's who I was, this is who I'm becoming." This is how resilience is built. This is how inner peace takes root. Not through dramatic events, through daily choices. Every sunrise gives you a blank page. What story will you write on it? The habit that changes everything. Here's the habit that will transform your life. End each night with reflection and begin each morning with intention. At night, release the day. Forgive yourself. Forgive others. In the morning, set your direction. Choose one thing that aligns with who you want to be. Then act on it. This daily reset builds momentum, mental clarity, and a sense of control over your life. It is a powerful Stoic habit and one of the most practical ways to create long-term change. Your past is a lesson, not a prison. Every day you wake up with the opportunity to rewrite your path. No matter what happened yesterday, you get to begin again today. And that's your greatest power. Treat each sunrise as a gift, a reminder that you are still in the game, still capable, still becoming. If this message inspired you, take a moment to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a fresh start today. Drop a comment below and tell us, what will you begin again today?